Okay, today's video is going to be pretty short because we have done most of this graphing. So, and also we're going to answer lots of questions in class tomorrow. So tonight you just need to try some of these graphing problems and see if it can help you remember how we've done this before, and find some patterns and some things that you remembered from when we did these during Unit 2. So for 1 through 6 on this notes page, you are just going to put these in your calculator and graph them and find the domain and range. And so I'll start you off with the parent function. The parent function starts at 0, 0 and goes through 1, 1, 4, 2, and 9, 3. That's the parent function. And the domain is 0 to infinity, and the range is 0 to infinity, and it includes its starting point. So as you try some of these other ones that shift left and right, remember that it does include the starting point. So all of your domain and ranges will have one bracket and one parenthesis. This one right here, or every once in a while you might have a parenthesis and then a bracket, but you'll have one of each one. So hopefully you can remember our A, H, and K, and I'll just give you some hints because I want you to discover those based on your graphs. But one changes the vertical stretch and vertical shrink, one changes whether it moves left and right, and one makes it move up and down. So it transforms the function left, right, up, down, and makes it vertically shrink and vertically stretch. Okay, these are just some more practice problems. Like I said, try taking your parent function center and doing the transformation. So a hint for this one, which way would it move, left or right? If you said it would move left 8 units, you are right. And would it move up or down? Very good, it moves down 2. And this negative right here means that it will, our math word, it will reflect. Okay, so you can try graphing that by hand and then checking it on your calculator, because you will have your calculator for anytime you're graphing one of these square roots. Okay, now here we have an inequality. So for an inequality, it's still going to be the same way to graph. You're either going to shade above the line or below the line, and I would like you to test that out a little bit in your calculator. So remember, in your calculator it has y equals, and you arrow over all the way to the left, and you can either do the greater than button, it's struggling to make it greater than, or you can use the less than symbol, and the calculator will do that for you. So give those a try, and then solutions would be inside the shaded area. So any points inside the shaded area or on a solid line would be a solution. Okay, this last bit is just writing the transformations. So does it go left, does it go right, does it go up, does it go down, does it have a vertical shrink or a vertical stretch, is it reflected? And so like I said before, this is very similar to problems we've done during Unit 2. It's the same concept as transforming a quadratic, which we've done lots of times. So be ready tomorrow to ask questions about all of these. We'll talk more about domain and range. We'll talk about evaluating, so I want to be able to answer those questions. But the reason I'm not giving you all these notes right now is because I want you to try some of them on your own, since it is concepts we have covered before. And so I want you to see if you can dig down and find that knowledge that you have in there. So hope you all are having a great day today, and I will see y'all tomorrow.